Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the clip and duplicating it immediately so you can build the blur without destroying the original. Import the footage, trim to the exact edit point, then duplicate the layer on the timeline. Once done, mute or hide the top duplicate while you set up effects on the lower layer. This keeps a clean backup in case you need to revert. Make sure the duplicate aligns frame for frame with the original before moving to motion adjustments. Now you create the actual motion smear by animating the duplicate. Apply a motion effect or manually keyframe position and rotation across a few frames. Small shifts work best, like 3/8 frames with subtle distance. Slightly scale or skew to widen the smear, then reduce opacity or switch the blend mode to add or screen to avoid a hard ghost. Once the movement reads as a streak rather than a double image, you have the basis for a believable motion blur. Finish by refining and exporting. Add a small Gaussian blur to the duplicate to remove harsh edges and create a smoother streak, values between 0.5 and 6 px usually work. Mask the blurred layer to limit the effect to the moving subject and feather the mask heavily so the transition is invisible. Once satisfied, render a short test export. If you see halos or ghosting, lower the duplicate opacity or reduce blur amount. Then re-export until motion reads natural and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.